What is going on, guys? Glenn here with a very quick message to invite you to promote our new launch, which is called Syndicate. Goes live on Tuesday, the 12th of April at 10 a.m. EST, and it would be awesome, as always, have all of you guys that are watching this video to promote this epic new launch. Now, in short, Syndicate taps into a loophole on YouTube whereby your subscribers, your tribe, are going to be able to take, yes, legally take, other people's videos that are already on YouTube and repurpose them, republish them, so to speak, on their own Syndicate platform to make money with. So there's lots of ways your subscribers can make money with this. Their own Syndicate websites, through banner ads, through all kinds of advertising, affiliate links, AdSense, you name it. It is included in the Syndicate platform, and your subscribers are going to be able to build their list, and they're automatically going to get traffic to their Syndicate websites or anywhere else they want online. So I think you're going to love this. Your subscribers are also going to love this. If this is something which you think is going to be a benefit to your subscribers, to your list, please consider promoting this one on April the 12th at 10 a.m. EST. So if you're on the JV page, you're going to find out all the information about this launch. If you're not on there, please click the button around this video right now to head over to the JV page. You're going to find out information about what the product is, how it works, which you can use this text on this page and on the sales page preview. You can copy and paste it and put it on your review sites, your review pages, your blogs, read it out in your review videos. Whatever the case, you can use this content and this text. You're also going to find information about the sales funnel, which is going to be a high converting sales funnel as always. We've got some great cash prizes as well to be given away to the affiliates that do drive the most amount of sales. We've also got some high converting email swipes, which I urge you to use, maybe adjust slightly to the way you talk to your audience, but they're there for you to use if you want to. And we've got the product graphics database, which again, you can save these images and use these on your review pages, your review blogs, your review sites, or however you wish to promote this product. And guys, I do recommend to zoom up your promo to make even more money. Try to use bonus pages, try to do a review video. You don't even have to show your face. You can do a faceless video or get somebody else to do it. And if you're a little bit more experienced, maybe consider doing a webinar. Webinars do work as the offer is going live, or maybe whilst the offer is live. If you've got an audience base, what I'm trying to say, if you've got an audience, you might as well try these things out, guys. You know, we've all got an audience, whether it's a small audience, a big audience. You do a webinar, you don't have to, create anything crazy, any crazy scripts or crazy webinars. You can do like what I'm doing, get on camera, talk to your audience, maybe demo the software, because this is a really good software which you can demo to your audience for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes. Drop your link to your audience and they're gonna buy this product. It's easy money for you guys. The people out there that put that little bit more effort into their promo are always going to scoop up the most sales. That is how this works, guys. All right. Now, reciprocation, do I reciprocate? 100%. If you know me, you know I always promote my top affiliates. Whether you send me a few sales or thousands of sales, I'm going to be there for you. Promote my offer right here on the 12th of April. And the odds are I'm going to be promoting your next one in the very near future. So guys, with that said, if you need any help with your promotion, let me know at any given time and I'll do my best to give you a helping hand. Hopefully we'll see you on our leaderboard on the 12th of April. And with that said, have a great day and I'll speak to you real soon.